Good morning, children. Very good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay. It's very nice to talk to you, each and everybody, in this COVID pandemic 19. So, boys, today in this class, just I will revise the topic regarding sectors of Indian economy. Already this topic we have discussed detailed with the help of extra mark with the slides. Now presently extra mark is due to some problem, so it's not working. So therefore this week try to manage it. So next week onwards again we'll use chalk and duster. Children, please bear me with this class this week, I mean to say. So next class onwards we will continue with the chalk and test. Now let us see about this topic, that is sectors of Indian economy. The second topic in economics. What is sectors? Sectors are nothing but as companies producing certain raw materials, manufacturing certain goods. With the help of these certain products, production of certain items, you can call it as a sectors. Here sectors can be classified in different ways: private sectors and public sectors. As you know, children, private sectors, it is totally belongs to private, an individual who invests certain amount and keeping certain different kind of companies, either it is agro-based industries or it is large scale industries. Depend upon the scale, I mean to say capital. Capital means money. Depend upon money, one who can run, who can manage, who can do business. Such companies, such factories, we call it as a private industries. You can say private companies. Ultimately, he is the owner. You take all the rights. In the another ways of sectors is public sectors. The sectors which belongs to a public, a government. It is not me and yours. It is for everybody. It's public. Public means the government. For example, railways, roadways, telecom, defense, educational institutions. So these are all we can consider public sector examples. So here, public and private. When you talk about sectors of Indian economy, here, by using the resources, I mean to say the resources, here resources are major properties. Resources are the most important material. Without resources, we cannot, means the people or humans cannot produce anything. Because ultimately these resources provided by the nature. Provided by the nature. Ultimately, these resources provided by the nature. Natural resources. Examples: land, water, soil, minerals, forest resources. These all can be considered best examples for natural resources. You can say that natural resources. Natural resource examples. Example, we take land resources. Yes. Land resources, water resources, mineral resources, soil resources, forest resources. we have been using for the progress, for the development of our country, national economy, for improving our national economy by utilizing all these resources. Right. There are certain resources, for example, land resources are the finest example for the natural resources. Soil. From the soil, from the land, we are obtaining various food crops, agriculture crops. Right? So here, agriculture is one of the finest example for, we can say, primary sector. Again here, based on the resource nature, these resources can be classified into different types of sectors that already we have discussed. Classification of sectors. What are the children? Classification of sectors. There are three types. One is primary sector. Second one is secondary sector. And third one is territory. Primary, secondary and territory. There are three types of sectors. Primary sector, if we take, this sector produces the goods by utilizing all the resources, all the natural resources like land, like soil, like forest. Such industries or such sectors, we call it as a primary sectors. You can ask a question, children. Classification of sectors. How many types of classification sectors? There are three types. One is primary, secondary and tertiary. Once again, children, I am telling you, the sectors can be classified. Sectors can be classified three. One is primary sector, secondary sector and third one is tertiary sector. Which is most important among the three sectors? The question is, every sector is important here. For example, take primary sector. As I said, this sector produces all the goods by utilizing all the natural resources like land. Those sectors are called the primary sector. We call it the primary sector. If you take examples, use some certain example. Give 4 or 5 examples of primary sector. Their examples for primary sector is agriculture, fishing, dairy farming, forestry. They are all examples for primary sector. Give 4 examples for primary sector. Agriculture, dairy farming, fishing and forestry. They are the 4 best examples for primary sector. Give 4 examples for primary sector. Give 2 examples. They may ask you that short answers, children. In your board examinations, mention 2 examples of primary sector. Write down agriculture, dairy farming, fishing and forestry. Out of these 4, you can write any 2 examples for primary sector. Right? When you come to the second one, that is secondary sector. Right? Secondary sector, they are not whatever the primary sources, the primary sector produces, those goods that transfer to the company transfer to the sector, and sector manufactures, sector prepares certain kind of goods, certain kind of products. That is done by factory, that is done by industry, that is done by company. So such industries we call it as a secondary industries. Children, such industries we call it as a secondary industries. Now you tell me, now you give me the examples of secondary industries. So here the examples for secondary industry are the manufacturing industries. Ultimately, whatever the primary sector is transforming the goods, products, those products, company manufactures what we want, what they want. As per demand, company produces very certain goods. Such industries we call it as a secondary industries. So example for secondary industries or manufacturing industries you can write, or you can write industries. Industries are the best example for secondary activity. Industries are the best example for secondary activity. Clear? Secondary activities. So now tell me children, you one finest example for secondary sector. Okay, manufacturing industries. Very good. Children know secondary industries? Of course. The third one is territory sector. This is very important, children. Territory sector, that is the third sector. Why? Because this sector is not going to produce any goods. This sector is not going to produce any goods. Whatever the secondary sector produces, manufactures. So the activity, the duty of that territory sector is only transforming goods on demand, exporting or importing, or transforming the goods from one place to another place as per the people's demand, as per the public demand. Exchanges, that is what territory sector is doing. Right? So here the examples for territory sector are we can take all service oriented, banks, insurance, administration, transportation, exports and imports, trading, service oriented. But they are not, ultimately they are not going to produce. Whatever a secondary sector is producing the material, the final goods they are transforming the other companies on demand. Only they supply the service. This is the activity of territory sector. So examples you can say trading, administration, transportation, banking, insurance. These all comes under territory sector. So examples for territory sector. So this children. So classification of sectors. There are three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now we discuss all this. Now example is clear. Primary sector: agriculture, dairy farming, fishing, forestry. Come to the secondary sector. Best example is manufacturing industries. When you come to the final one, that is territory sector. Territory sectors are also known as service sectors, because this sector is not producing any goods. Whatever the secondary sector is producing, the duty of this is just transforming the goods from one region to another region, one place to another place on the demand by the public. Therefore, service sector or territory sector also called as service sector. Clear? Children, with this we will stop this and we will continue next class. Thank you.